The Burke-Gilman Trail has a very obvious gap through Ballard, which we call the Missing Link. On either side of the Missing Link is an excellent dedicated multi-use trail that allows cyclists to travel along the north side of Lake Union and beyond, completely separated from car traffic. But as soon as you enter the Ballard neighborhood, you are thrown into a busy industrial and business district and told to kick it with 3, 4, and sometimes even 5 lanes of car traffic for 1.4 miles. Oh yeah, and be careful with those never-used train tracks that have injured dozens. Citizens have been pushing for the city to build a solution to this for decades, and we are still stuck in this endless cycle of design proposals and court battles, while nothing actually changes and the daily commuters are left to hope that they don't become the next ghost bike. The latest redesign proposal, called the 60% design, features some strong points, but contains a design proposal along Market Street that is so bad that it's actually insulting. Rather than do what we know works, separating walking and biking spaces, this redesign goes out of its way to ignore very clear public feedback that we've given, completely preserving the 4 and 5 lane highway on Market Street, and slapping a painted shared path on an already narrow and very busy sidewalk next to cafes, restaurants, bars, shops, and museums. Honestly, I'm surprised that they even want to include paint, as this is such a rare thing to see anywhere else in the city. To quote from the Seattle Bike Blog article about this, anyone who has spent any time on Market Street or any other similarly busy commercial street knows what will happen here. People will spill out of businesses and occupy the whole sidewalk because that's what storefront sidewalks are for. There are a lot of similar business districts in the country, and even in Washington state, that go as far as banning biking on sidewalks like these. And here we have the city trying to instead route one of our busiest bike routes onto one? It makes no sense, especially since SDOT knows how to build a safe bike route on a street like Market. Protected bike lanes that are separate from both the sidewalk and general traffic. We have entire design guides for all the different ways to build them, and we have many examples in our own city. This trail design completely defies all of our existing knowledge about how to create a safe bike route. Pedestrians deserve to have plenty of space to walk, mingle, and dine. Cyclists deserve to be able to commute through business districts safely and comfortably. Unnecessarily combining these spaces with absolutely no separation in a busy business district is, in my opinion, an attempt to create more conflict and animosity towards cyclists. Please read the articles linked at the top of the video description and fill out SDOT's project feedback form before Wednesday, July 15th. Here's what I've written. Now, the rest of this video contains a bunch of examples of what conflicts we know will happen if this design actually gets installed. 7th Avenue between Bell Street and Westlake Avenue is a similar sidewalk-level bike lane that places cyclists together with a very busy tech company campus and a tourist hotspot. If you've seen my videos before, you will recognize this street immediately. And as always, there's loads of stupid drivers who can't put their phone down and don't bother to look around before turning. Oh, look at that. Lindsey Graham is dead.
What the fuck?
Nice turn signal. Oh, but cyclists run red lights. Cyclists don't have license plates. Yep. But cyclists run red lights. Hey, thanks for blocking the bike lane, asshole. Fuck your face.
I know I'm number 1, thank you.
Yep, it's chilling in front of a fire hydrant. But cyclists are entitled.
Hey pal, you just blowing from Stupid Town?
Yep, on the phone while they're driving.
I'm a big boy, I'm a real big boy. I got a big wiener and I drive around town. A big old wiener make my mommy proud. To drive around town, to drive around town. Got a big old weenie and I drive around town in my big old truck, a big old truck.
Appreciate you looking. A lot of people don't. Boy, that sidewalk sure is packed. That's a smart place to stand. Traffic goes this way, genius. Oh, this is nice. Good job.
Correct.
Going the wrong way, dumb shit. Yep, let's walk in the bike lane like an idiot. Not even looking. Sidewalk's over there. Hooray, someone who uses their eyes. They didn't just waltz right in front of me. There's a bike lane right here. But cyclists run red lights. If vehicles can, so can I. To yield to you. Don't try to be nice. Supposed to ride in the street. But cyclists run red lights. Holy shit, look at that entitled cyclist. He didn't wait for the light to turn green. Womp womp womp.
Ah, 为什么还不点赞啊？快订阅！拜托，我这用生命在这做，我这差点要死了。快点啊，我马上再回来。
Oh no, I didn't stop at the stop sign even though I yielded. I'm a criminal. Go. Go. What are you waiting on? This is what I get when I do the right thing. Wrong way, dummy. I guess you don't know how bike lanes work. You too, buddy. Jogging path is right here. See, look, everyone else can find it. I wonder what this bike symbol on the ground means. Put the phone away. Put it away, you're driving. On the phone, on the phone. So many. Yep, texting and driving. Yep, that looks really safe. That looks really safe. Good job.
Bad man, very bad choice.
Yep, talking on the phone while driving. Oh yeah, pack it in. I hope you enjoy your ticket that you'll get in the mail. Oh no, a bunch of criminals. They went when it was clear. Bang! What a smart place to walk. I wonder how bike lanes work. Sidewalk's right there. Where's the sidewalk? Watch where you're going, fucking idiots. They're on the phone. Well, not at a red light. Supposed to ride in the street, not the sidewalk. That's a nice bike you got there. Yep. But remember, kids, cyclists are entitled. Certainly not car drivers.
If I could just find a parking spot.
Yep, on the phone. Rush to that red light. Watch out, Burb. Yo, that's a nice bike you got there. Angry Bird crossing. to those little babies. They got their baby feathers. Holy shit, that jogging path is so crowded. See, look, just look how crowded it is. Now again, if you're a jogger and you absolutely need to run on pavement instead of gravel, what's that down there? That's pavement. Yep. No turn on red, but remember, cyclists make up their own rules. Oh, yes. Way to pay attention. And then runs a red light. Again, if vehicles can, so can I.